Equation for position-time relation. Let the distance traveled by an object is s in time t and acceleration a. We can see that the distance traveled by the object is obtained by the area enclosed within. Therefore, distance traveled s is equal to area of the trapezium ABDO, which equals area of rectangle ACDO plus area of triangle ABC, which is equal to OD into OA plus 1 upon 2 BC into AC. Now putting the values, we get T into U plus 1 upon 2 into V minus U into T. On solving further, we get UT plus 1 upon 2 into V minus U into T. Now from the first equation we know that V minus U is equal to AT, or we can write V is equal to U plus AT. Therefore, S is equal to UT plus 1 upon 2 AT square. This is the second equation of motion.